And I know the last video I showed you was for subtraction. And now we're going to do addition up to 10, and we're going to do word problems. So let's just go ahead and get started with our word problems. I want you to think really big, and I also want you to pause this video so that you can think, so that you can use your fingers or use objects, and so that you can also write the number sentence. All right, so when I ask you the question, I would like for you to pause the video so that you can be able to think, use your fingers or objects to find the answer, and also to write the number sentence. All right, let's get started. So Jill ate 1 banana and Jack ate 1 banana. How many bananas are there in all? So if Jill had 1 banana and Jack had 1 banana, how many bananas did they have total? That's right, 2 bananas. So the number sentence is what? That's right, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Perfect. What about if we break that down? What if we break it apart? What would we say first? What's our whole number? That's right, 2. So 2 equals 1 plus 1. That's right. Remember, the 2 signifies or stands for the total number, and the 1 stand for parts. Good job. Think big now. I'm going to use my hands. So Mom had 2 umbrellas, and Dad had 1 umbrella. How many umbrellas in all? That's right, 3. So the number sentence, say it with me, get ready. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's break it apart. How do we do that? That's right, we start with 3, the whole number. 3 equals 2 plus 1. Great job. Tom planted 2 trees and Sally planted 2 trees. How many trees in all? That's right, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's break that apart, starting with our whole number. 4 equals 2 plus 2. I hope you're writing these down. Remember, make sure you pause the video so that you can write everything down. I saw 2 flowers on Monday and 4 flowers on Tuesday. How many flowers in all? That's right, 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. I want you to write it. Now let's break it apart. 6 equals 2 plus 4. Write it. I ate 6 cookies, and my brother ate 4 cookies. Let me try that again because my fingers are moving too much. I ate 6 cookies, and my brother ate 4 cookies. So how many cookies were there in all? That's right, 10. Say the number sentence starting with 6. Get ready. 6 plus 4 equals 10. How about we take it apart? What number do we start with? That's right, the whole number. Get ready. 10 equals 6 plus 4. Write it. Make sure you pause the video and then move on when you're done writing it. I have 3 balls, and my sister has 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls in all? That's right, 7. We can also count the fast way. 5, 6, 7. Let's say the number sentence starting with 3. Get ready. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now let's write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with our whole number, which is, that's right, 7. 7 equals 3 plus 4. Write it. Next sentence, or next word problem. I saw 3 birds in the tree, and then I saw 1 more. How many birds in all? That's right, 4. Say the sentence starting with 3. Get ready. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Write it. All right, now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number, which is 4. That's right. 4 equals 3 plus 1. Write it. Good job writing the number sentence. Now the next story problem. My teacher gave me 5 pencils and I found 3 more. How many pencils in all? We can count the fast way. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pencils in all? That's right, 8 pencils. All right, let's say the number sentence starting with 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number, which is? That's right, 8. 8 equals 5 plus 3. Write it. Jill saw 5 fish and Jack saw 4 fish. How many fish in all? Count the fast way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 fish total. Say the statement starting with 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number. What's the whole number? That's right, 9. Say the statement starting with 9. Get ready. 9 equals 5 plus 4. Write it. Here's the next story. I had 5 pieces of candy and my mom gave me 1 more. How many candies in all? You can count the fast way. 5, 6. How many candies did I have total? That's right, 6. Right, let's say the statement starting with 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number. What's the whole number? That's right, 6. Break it apart. 6 equals 5 plus 1. Write it. All right, next, let's move on to the next story. I saw 2 grasshoppers, and then I saw 6 more. All right, so let me show you the math way. 2, and I'm going to add 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many grasshoppers are there total? That's right, 8. Let's say the statement starting with 2. Get ready. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number. What's the whole number? That's right, 8. 8 equals 2 plus 6. Write it. Whoa, 4 apples fell off the tree, and then I found 1 more. How many apples in all? That's right, that's easy, huh? 5. We have 5 apples in all. Let's say the statement starting with 4. Get ready. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number. What's the whole number? 5. That's right. 5 equals 4 plus 1. Write it. All right, Mom gave me $5 and Dad gave me $2. How many dollars in all? That's right, 7. You can count the fast way. 5, 6, 7. Let's say the number sentence starting with 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Write it. Now let's break it apart starting with the whole number. What's the whole number? That's right, 7. Say the addition sentence starting with the whole number. 7 equals 5 plus 2. Write it. Next story. I saw 7 ladybugs and then I saw 3 more. 1, 2, 3. How many ladybugs in all? That's right, 10. 10 ladybugs total. Can you say the addition sentence starting with 7? 7 plus 3 equals 10. Write it. Now let's break it apart starting with the whole number. What's the whole number? Yes, 10. 10 equals 7 plus 3. That's right. Write it. Next number sentence. I ate 7 lollipops. Oh my goodness, 7 lollipops, and my brother ate 2. 1, 2. How many lollipops in all? That's right, 9. Let's say the addition sentence starting with 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Write it. Now let's break it apart. What number do we start with? That's right, the whole number, which is 9. That's right. All right, let's say it. 9 equals 7 plus 2. Write it. Here's the next story. I saw 3 butterflies and then I saw 3 more. 1, 2, 3. How many butterflies in all? That's right, 6. You can count the fast way. 5, 6. Let's write the numbers, or let's say the number sentence first, starting with 3. Ready? 3 plus 3 equals 6. Write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number. That's right. Starting with the whole number, break it apart. 6 equals 3 plus 3. Write it. Whoa, there were 7 frogs on a log. And guess what? There was 1 frog on a leaf. Boop. How many frogs were there in all? That's right. There were 8 frogs in all. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number. 8 equals 7 plus 1. Write it. Whoa, that was amazing. All right, I think we only have a couple more left. There were 5 girls with glasses and 5 boys with glasses. So how many glasses were there total? That's right, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Write it. Now let's break it apart. Starting with the whole number, 10 equals 5 plus 5. Write it. All right, this is the next number or word problem. I read 6 books, and then I read 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So how many books in all? How many books did I read total? That's right, 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Write it. Let's break it apart. Starting with the whole number. 9 equals 6 plus 3. Write it. Wonderful. Sally saw 8 dogs at the park, and Tom saw 2 dogs. How many dogs in all? That's right, 10. 10 dogs in all. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Write it. Now let's break it apart, starting with the whole number. 10 equals 8 plus 2. Write it. Amazing! Guess what? That means we're done. Silent applause. And let's do our banana cheer because we haven't done our banana cheer in a while, okay? So I want you to stand up where you are. So I'm going to stand up. Ready? Okay. Make banana. Make banana. Peel banana. Peel banana. Smash banana. Smash banana. Eat banana. Eat banana. Go bananas. Go bananas. And we're done. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for doing this video with me. Have a great day.